Wow, look at this. I've definitely hit the jackpot and a nature find right now. Look at these beautiful nesting birds here at the Old Port of Montreal. Spectacular. I'm not sure what species these are. Maybe somebody that knows more about birds than me can answer that. But what a spectacular find here at the Old Port of Montreal. And there's a bunch more here as well on this side. Look at these beautiful nests that they've constructed. I'll try to zoom in on one here to give you a nice view of it as best I can. Here's some returning now. And I'm not sure if these are actually baby birds or I'm not sure if they're the offspring or the actual parent birds. I don't even know if there's any baby birds in those nests. This could just simply be where these birds live, even in adulthood. Beautiful species. There's another one over here. This one looks to be vacant. Very interesting.